Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows Nothing or a little bit of something, and today's video is all about dorm room essentials that you can find at Dollar Tree. Make sure you subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and hello to all the new subscribers. And also make sure you thumbs up the video. It allows more people to see the video and to spread the love. We have a nephew who is going off to college. He will be a freshman. But yeah, we did purchase a lot of items for him to help him get settled into college. Dollar Tree has a plethora of writing utensils, a lot of pens actually, which I thought was very impressive. And they mainly have pens by the brand Ink. And they do have these, they have a 5-pack and single pack of these pens. And I thought these were really good. These are a good brand. They had a 5-pack and they also had the single pack. The single pack of pens came in different colors. They had fuchsia and blue and green. These 5-packs, I believe they only come in the black or blue ink. They also had some pencil holders, which I thought were really interesting and neat. They had some that were kind of like a snow globe type, very colorful, fun pencil holders. The best way I can describe it is snow globe type. And they had some regular ones too that are very simple, basic pencil holders, but it's to help get your desk organized. Sticky notes, a wide variety of sticky notes. I just got him this regular pack of sticky notes. It comes with 5 colors and 250 sheets. So they had different sizes. They had the longer ones, they had the shorter ones, but you can never have too many sticky notes. Who knows, he might use them, he might not, but he has them if he needs them. They also had these dry erase board sheets. So they had several different designs and color schemes. I thought these were really cool, a lot of personality and very cute. Moving on to organizational items, because I know that is such a big deal whenever you go off to college. You can get the 15-pack of felted hangers for $5. That's a really good deal, you guys. So if you are looking for some hangers that are a nice little extra oomph, you can get those. They also have the regular hangers there as well. Some dorm rooms are set up to where you can have your own bathroom or shared bathroom with somebody else. But for the most part, it is private, just you and maybe your one other roommate. I know that's what my nephew is going into. That's going to be his living situation for his dorm. So you do need to supply the items you need for your bathroom. So they do have bath mats there, lots of personality, lots of color. They do have the memory foam bath mats, and they also have the shag rug types. Like I said, lots of personality and color, very vibrant. These are in the plus section, so they're going to be a little more than $1.25, but they are affordable. And storage. I know it's such a big deal when you go to college, you guys. You do not understand how important storage is. They had these collapsible baskets in the plus section. These were $3. The only color I could find was this turquoise color, but I think I've seen them in other areas. I think I've seen them in other Dollar Trees and they were white or dark blue. But yeah, these are collapsible baskets. This is a great way to, if you don't need it at the moment, then you could just kind of put it away easily. But if you do need it, you just kind of, I don't know, expand it and then use it. We also got him one of these bins, and this is great for showers and stuff like that. You can put your loofahs in here, your body wash, your bar soap, your razors, and go to the shower in this. You definitely want to get a shower caddy. It is very important to keep all of your items in, and you definitely want one that has some holes in there so you can drain out any excess water. You have to utilize all the space you can. This is the jumbo storage bag, and it is in dark blue. I think they have dark blue and they also have gray. They might have black too. It just kind of depends on your location. But this is a pretty good size, and we got him another one that's a little bit bigger, and it specifically says under the bed shoe organizer. So you don't have to use this for shoes. You can use this for whatever you want to, but this is a great option to maximize your space and put things away. And I have to mention laundry baskets. This has some of the stuff in it that we bought our nephew. But this is a good size laundry basket, and they have so many options there at Dollar Tree, you guys. So many. They have some with handles. They have some that don't have handles. They have lots of colors. Just different sizes, different colors, a lot to choose from for $1.25. Like, that is really good for a nice laundry basket. They also had clear bins, which are great for organization. So you can see your items that you're putting away and you know where they are at all times. So this is great as well to maximize your space. You are going to need some sort of cleaning products whenever you go off to college and you are in the dorm room, because dorm rooms can get pretty nasty. But yeah, I do want to emphasize cleaning products. They do have these Swiffer wet cloths and dry cloths. They're not Swiffer, the brand, obviously, but they do have options there. Those are great to clean up your dorm room floors. Sometimes I had carpet in my dorms and sometimes I didn't. So having that option of having something like a Swiffer to help clean your floors is great. They also had in the plus section these Clorox towel, paper towel type wipes. So they kind of have that paper towel feel to them, but they are just wipes. And of course, I always talk about these small trash bags. We bought some for my nephew. So these are the lemon scented ones, and these are 28 count. I think they even have the ones that are 35 count. Don't hold me to that, but I think they do. These are $1.25 and they smell nice, so it's great for a dorm room space. Kitchen utensils and drinkware and all of that stuff. So Dollar Tree is really good with matching these items up. And yes, you are going to need these items, you guys. Trust me, you're gonna need them. But they have these cups. There's 4 here for $1.25. That's really, really good. And they got the matching bowls, y'all. They have 2 bowls here. These are a really good size, $1.25. And they come in different colors. They have mugs, of course, coffee mugs. They have different types of plates. They also have silverware. Just make sure that you do not forget about the items that you need to eat with. So you can also get paper plates if that's your thing. You can get those from Dollar Tree. But I do want to mention the stuff that you can reuse because it will save you money in the long run. What would college be without some ramen noodles, you guys? You can pick those up at Dollar Tree. I mean, you got the shrimp, you got the beef, you got the chicken. And this is a 5-pack, so that's pretty good. I know some people are like, nah, I'm not gonna be eating ramen. Listen, late night, you might need some ramen. I'm just saying. So they do have some of that there. They have cup of noodles there. They also have Kraft mac and cheese. So, hey, they have options. They have the thick and creamy, and they have the original. Grab you a couple boxes of those and make it do what it do, especially late at night when you don't have a lot of options. So those were my dorm room essentials that you can find at Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you think there's something that I left out, mention it in the comments below. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video. I'll appreciate it so much. I will talk to you next time. Bye.